let's make some elegant eggs for spring. I have added Luxe Water Effects. It's a resin alternative. I'm using it as my base coat. Then I've got a Liquitex acrylic inks, just got those off Amazon. Add a few drops. Now white is magical. You'll see why. Also remember, this is non-toxic. Don't worry about using your fingers. I just keep baby wipes nearby to clean my hands off and then wash my hands when I'm all done. There's my baby wipes. White is magical because it creates beautiful ombre effects with any other color that you use. So in my collection, I have a whole lot of these alcohol inks. I have tons of white bottles. Here I'm using a bronze. That first color was called gold. The reason for the bronze is because in any striking piece of art, this is really important to hear and understand, there's a lot of contrast. So I added this super dark to create contrast. Now, this is our edible glitter. I know, what the heck am I using it in art for? Because why not? It's essentially mineral dust, and that color I've used Decadence and Evening with Sinatra. This is Luxe Crushed Mirror. How do we make something extra elegant? We add beautiful crushed mirror. The color is called Victorian Gold. Also winmodernart.com. Same with the edible glitters. This color is called Copper. Again, it's a Liquitex. Moon Dust, our best-selling glow powder. I just sprinkled a little bit, and then Luxe Water Effects I used again right here because it's in a gorgeous marbling agent. This is the time where you just meditate and take some time for you. I turned my phone off. Now check out this magic. New Luxe Glow paint. It's an acrylic paint, of course, also non-toxic. I like to paint with my pets and kids around, and that's what it looks like in the day and night. And here's the finished product. I love you guys. winmodernart.com.